Some people say that love comes once in a lifetime. What you gotta understand is that life, without life, nothing else matters. Nothing what you do matters. Yo, everyone says that love is bigger than life, but I guess it just comes as a surprise, a gift that has to be earned, learned from the simplest minds. Growing up as a kid, always had big dreams, traveling the world and seeing places never seen before. Someone said that love only comes once, but the word love is infinite, getting love all around, surrounding you, making life larger than itself, making it a gift. The word love has many reasons, backing it up with the year seasons. But it has too many definitions trying to find the word love itself. Just like how people cherish life itself, cause without life there would be no love. Even if Adam and Eve fell from above to give birth to the firstborn child, without life the word love wouldn't even matter. Cause life was first before every other matter. Yeah, life, baby, is everything. Yeah, it's your boy Rida, 2010.